YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wade. You already know this, my channel, Mr. Dorothy Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. Down here, Chinatown. Why? I'll probably explain the situation, but I damn sure am gonna get me something to eat since I'm down here. And I was gonna go somewhere new, but I see my go-to unless I see something else on the way, you know what I'm saying? But I do see a go-to, that Wafong. But anyway, man, I gotta get down to the damn bus station. Homeboy hit me up, said he left his bag on the bus. Hope ain't no dope up in that joint, and this is just a setup. Nah, but yeah, so he left his bag on the bus, and I believe he was bullshit, and the bus left, and that's what they do, you know what I'm saying? So, shit, I came down here to grab that form. Pause, all right? Give me something to eat since I'm down here. You know me, I don't play that shit. But anyway, man, Chinatown, we here. Might have a talk about a sneak, who knows?
Man, got a plan, the pot and pan. Felt like a young Tim Hardaway with the rock in hand. OGs acknowledged it, so the path he followed it. Light flash performed, but it's nothing he got out of it. Turned to a dope boy, really wanted a doctorate. Stress levels high, so his blood pressure is moderate. Met this young boy on a bad path with a scholarship, vicariously living through him. He wants the opposite. Used to move that weed, trying to stretch that money. This is back when Knicks mattered. Jeff Van Gundy, then he moved to Perico. Feds rushing the peephole, wanna be paid in full until you dealing with Rico.
Young boy out on the corner, he wants a future.
Before it rained out here, just stepped out. What was it? Cocaron. I found this spot on Yelp because it said it had the spicy ramen. That's what I was looking for, but I gotta be careful because, you know, all ramen ain't good ramen. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so went up in the joint. It's kind of small. Pause. The greeting wasn't all that, but they made up for it. Homie made sure he let me know, you know, it's cash only. Okay, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, let me know that. So anyway, I got the large spicy joint, spicy chicken ramen, or some type of chicken. I got the large chicken ramen. That shit was banging for real. Yo, tear jerker. Word. When I first tried it, I guess it went down the wrong way, pause. And I was like, oh, you know what I'm saying? I ain't want to be coughing up in that joint. But yeah, the spot's real small, real intimate setting. I would definitely come back here, like, probably bring my rib, you know what I'm saying? It's a good spot to, like, you know, bring a date. I was at first gonna be like, yo, let me eat outside, but I'm glad I didn't, because outside was like the waiting area, so the place was jumping, you know? I paid like 20 bucks. The small was 19, the large was like 20. Hello, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, that joint was banging. But you know me, I had to be like, hey, y'all got a fork? I never learned how to eat with chopsticks, you know what I'm saying? Not my culture, you know what I'm saying? But shout out to the ramen spots. Spoons and the forks, love them. Let's see. Do I want to pick up some Wafong? I don't know. No. I'm gonna go get me some bubble tea now since we down here. It's the reason why that line's like that Wafong #1, boy, banging on wax. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I want me some bubble tea. Do I want Kung Fu tea or do I want 1 cup? We can go with the non-franchise.
Where my house at? Bumblebee tuna, but had dreams of the outback. We ain't even have enough cheese to spare for the mousetrap. Tried to go to school, but the streets had to reroute that. Don't start, know I'm sharp, got smart tactics. Future in the trap, but it should have been March Madness. Tried to hit the books, the league to get the look, but some niggas turn to LeBron or Lenny Cook.
Young boy out on the corner, he wants a future.
Right, slow it down, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, last week I was downtown, went to that ramen spot. You gotta check it out, definitely, you gotta check it out. 20 bucks for that big bowl, straight. I wish I would have had more time to actually do more vlogging up in there or more space, but it was kind of like a confined space and I just just like, you know what, let me just eat and get up out of here because I was on a mission. But the funny thing was, when I got on the train, my man hit me up like, yo, I'm on my way back to the Bronx. I'm like, I'm on my way back to the Bronx. So I'm like, yo, you got on Grand or whatever? Like, yeah. So I'm like, oh shit, me too. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, we'll link there. All of a sudden, he comes up to me on the train. I'm like, oh shit, you know, here go you back, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, held him down. But he had sent me a text like, I'm right next to you. I was like, well, you know. But anyway, yeah, before I get y'all up out of here, I got 2 pickups, and then we're gonna discuss a sneak right quick, like that I've changed my mind about. I know I've done a lot of these changing my minds, but you know what I'm saying? I don't know. When I'm inspired, I'm inspired.
You know, when the spirit moves me.
But anyway, first up, I got a new pickup. Fragrance from the house of Maison Alhambra. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm saying it wrong. You know what I'm saying? But this is Angel right here. This is a dupe of Angel Share. I still want that Angel Share, but I'm gonna check this out first. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely still want that Angel Share because I've been hearing some things. There's so many dupes of this joint that it finally, I was just like, you know what? Let me just get this one. But I've heard so many, but I went ahead and just went with the Angel. I think I was always leaning towards the Angel the whole time. So there goes that joint right here. Smelling like what was smelling like. Okay. I actually got this off of Amazon. Probably like 40 bucks, okay? Okay, yeah. This is a scent that I want for like those nights that I'm out having a gentleman's drink of Hennessy. No, you know, yeah, nah. But nah, if I'm out, nice restaurant, but I'm having a drink, like a nice man's drink, oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. And I'm smelling, I don't know, I'm smelling caramel, I think. I believe, I don't know. Let's see. All right, for the top notes, you got honeycomb, amber, and vanilla, but I think the middle notes is what's gonna set it off. Cognac, cinnamon, caramel, like I said, I thought I smelled, and tonka bean. Base notes, you got dark chocolate. Yeah, it's a decent joint right here, especially I can tell for the winter time, but yeah, I've been wanting this, but this is gonna hold me down until I get that, so I get the real deal, that that Killian Angel Share, you know what I'm saying? But it's that Kismet Angel. I'm definitely happy with this pickup. And for $40,
$40.
definitely can't go wrong. Before I do get in my discussion, I did get another pickup, Vandal. This is my favorite place to go when they have their every Green Moon sale. Usually December or November is when they have their sale. So yeah, Vandal. But no, they got some joints. But anyway, boom, first up. Okay. This was my second pick, as a matter of fact. Boom. This is the Bishop joint right here with the OG logo. Yeah. That's really nice. Yeah, one thing I do like about Vandal, they do got some quality with the screen, with the printing. They got some quality. If anybody knows, Prather, matter of fact, the Rothstein, Sam Rothstein, woo, yeah. Matter of fact, they got another joint on their website that I was gonna get, Goodfellas, when they was cutting up the garlic, but I was like, you know what I'm saying, that's, you know, but I bet you that quality is nice. This was my third pick. And it could have gone either way. I do still want to get that, the fresh joint. And I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that one day. But even though I was not Team Marlo, this joint is tough right here, and I do love the wine. I actually got a homeboy that never seen the wine. I be like, yo, brother, what? But anyway, boom, you got Chris, Marlo, and Snoop. Classic show right here, brother. They don't make them like they used to. Word. All right, and last but not least, yo, when I saw this, I knew. I don't know, once that sale comes through, boy, still swagging like I'm Deion Sanders, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, you got that prime. You got Deion Sanders in with the Braves and the Atlanta Falcons. Hell yeah, that primetime joint. I'm actually getting my Diamond Turfs restored, you know what I'm saying? Because this is going to DR, brother. You best believe this is going to DR. But anyway, man, shout out to Vandal. But yeah, I definitely rock with them when they have their sales. What sneaker we gonna discuss? The Jordan 11 Gratitudes. They were supposed to be the DMP. They turned into the Gratitudes, and they went from the mesh to the leather. At first I was like, yo, nah, you know. Now, thanks to, and I always give homage, if somebody rocks them joints and them joints look good, I'll be like, yo, H-Town Hype Beast, you know what I'm saying, coming down. You know what I'm saying? Yo, rest in peace, Fat Pat, all that. But yo, H-Town Hype Beast had them joints on, and his IG pic, I was like, yo, joints alright. Even Baby Wave, like, yo, them joints alright. But yeah, I was like, yo, they alright. So look, if you don't have the Concords, even if you do, if you only got the lows, definitely get these. If you don't have the Concords, definitely get them. This is a sneak that yeah, it looks good. I slept. I don't regret my decision because I'm still not gonna cop. I don't believe I'm gonna cop, but this is not a bad sneaker. I'm gonna lay on my sword and I'm gonna end up seeing them joints and really want them. You know what I'm saying? But as of right now, it was too many with the Black Friday sales and stuff like that. It was too many sales going, and I was kind of like stocking up on the gear, you know? If I was just like a sneaker dude and just into sneaker, yes, you know what I'm saying? Because I wouldn't worry about gear, just, oh, I got the shoe, but that ain't how it go.
I got a reputation for looking real nice with the ladies, man.
But those are, they good. They nice. Shout out to H-Town Hypebeast again, yo, you rock them joints heavy. Anyway, what's next up? I don't know. Oh, I got a, you know, I do got an on foot coming through. I'm just waiting on the sneak to come. Pause if you have to. I got another frag pickup. Shout out to me and you, we was talking on IG. I'm gonna give you a prop when I do the unboxing. But yeah, I got another frag pickup. Some more gear coming in. I'm not gonna unbox like all my joints. I'll just come through. You see them on either my DR trip or on a sneaker rotation, but that's how it'll go. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that TikTok. That TikTok beat, that Snap. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my gentleman's Georgia Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Roll Tide.